Hi everyone, this video is about coffee scrub. Before we go ahead with the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification on my future videos. So this coffee scrub is very easy to prepare. You do not need to grind, you do not need to soak anything prior. It's all made up of simple items which is available in our kitchen. So let's see what are the ingredients that is required. The first ingredient is the rose petals. It's a dry rose petals. It is actually very helpful for sun blocking and sun tanning, and it also reduces the redness if there is anything rashes in the skin. I have got this from Amazon. You can also prepare it at home. And the second ingredient is a coffee powder. It's a roasted powder from the coffee beans. Now I've used 2 spoons here. It actually improves the elasticity of the skin and tightens the skin. Here is another ingredient, which is gram flour, and I have taken 1 spoon of it. It actually fights with infection which is caused against acne, and also controls excess oil in the skin and works as very good scrub. So the next ingredient is the sugar. So here I've taken 2 spoons of sugar. Sugar works as a natural exfoliator to the skin and removes the dead cells and the blackheads and whiteheads in the skin. Here is my last ingredient, which is rose oil. It's one of the essential oils. It is optional and used just for aroma. Here are the steps to make the scrub. First thing we have to do is to crush the dry rose petals into small pieces and mix every ingredient one by one. So let's look into the ingredients again. It's dry rose petals 2 spoons and coffee powder 2 spoons, 1 spoon of gram flour and 2 spoons of sugar, and essential oil, it's optional. Now I have mixed everything into one bowl and mix it thoroughly. Now scrub is something where you have to use it weekly once, and especially in the night if you use it would be better because skin actually breathes more when you sleep. So when the dead cells have removed, it will give you better results. So always try to use the scrub in the night. Now I have mixed all 4 ingredients and the rose oil here. I have taken 5 drops of rose oil just to for aroma purpose. Now once it is mixed, this scrub can be used for dry skin, combination skin, or oily skin. So what is the difference that it makes? When you use a scrub, if you are using a coconut oil, you can use it for dry skin because that gives extra moisture to your face. If you are using for oily skin, use olive oil. Olive oil actually keeps the complete skin hydrated and doesn't make it appear oily, or it doesn't give you the oil secretion on the face. I have stored this into a small airtight container. I have got about 6 spoons of it. So every time you use, 1 spoon would be enough. As you see, all the ingredients here I have used is in powder form, and you do not need any preservatives, and you can just store it in a dry place. No need of refrigerator as well. So I have a dry skin, so what I'm using here is 1 spoon of coconut oil. I've just washed my face with a plain water and applied this scrub throughout my face for 10 minutes and wash it again with a plain water. Do not use any soap or face wash when you scrub this because again you're adding much more chemical. So here we are doing a skin treatment or skin care which is home based product without any chemicals. So you can see much more difference in your skin, the brightness of your skin and the texture of your skin. Likewise, I have done much more videos on skincare. Please do watch it and the link is here, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.